just when you thought it was all quiet on the It Ends With Us front, today, a hearing on Blake's request for a protective order in the case. Here's the latest.
You just shut up for 1 second.
Life is too short to work with people.
Days after hiring an ex-CIA agent to be her crisis manager, Blake's mission in court today was clear. Keep private info and the group chat on lockdown.
Have they set themselves up for a bunch of embarrassment, especially with high-profile friends like, say, Taylor Swift, whose information now could be put out there and their texts back and forth could be exposed to the public?
Having discussed Taylor Swift, she is in the middle of it. She is a potential witness, and as a potential witness, she can be deposed. Blake Lively is saying, not only do we want a protective order, but we want certain portions to be attorney's eyes only, which means the parties can't even see it, only the lawyers.
This morning's hearing was heated and lasted about an hour and a half. The ruling is expected in the next few days, but tomorrow, Blake prepares to step into the spotlight in Texas.
You think I want to make you pay?
The actress and co-star Anna Kendrick are expected to attend the premiere of Another Simple Favor at the South by Southwest Film and TV Festival. Blake does not have any interviews scheduled. The sequel shot in Capri, Italy, after Blake wrapped It Ends With Us.
I went there and I was like, I need to blow up my whole life and move my family here. This is the best place I've ever been.
And changing sides?
You gotta leave him.
Brandon Sklenar, who showed early support for Blake, has seemingly become neutral. He was spotted out wearing what some think is a show of support for Justin Baldoni. At Sunday's Vanity Fair Oscar bash, he had on what appears to be the same pink floral brooch that Justin wore to the It Ends With Us premiere 7 months ago.
This is your night, mister.
No, this isn't my night.
E.T. reached out to Brandon's team, but they did not respond. But listen to his carefully worded response when asked this.
Blake Lively, how are you hoping to support her during this time?
I mean, I just, it's a tough situation, and I just hope everyone remembers what the movie's about and why we made it in the first place.
And new theories are also emerging in the mysterious deaths of Gene Hackman and his wife, Betsy. Who died first?
Both bodies are in a similar manner. It could be a similar time frame.
That's the Santa Fe fire chief providing new insight into the investigation. Sheriffs will hold a press conference tomorrow and are expected to release body cam footage from the scene, which could provide more clues about the couple who may have been deceased for 9 days.
Someone who's 95 who has heart disease requiring a pacemaker, they literally could die at any time. There are instances of a person dying suddenly from heart disease. The person finds their loved one dead, and they're so despondent, then they do something to harm themselves.
E.T. has learned the couple's surviving dogs are healthy and receiving the best care in a familiar environment. Toxicology results could take 3 months or more, but the autopsy is complete. Funeral details are still unknown, and questions surround what happens with Gene's estimated $80 million fortune.
There's 3 kids. If the will says everything's divided equally, there's probably not going to be a fight. Sometimes minutes or seconds get involved on who predeceases somebody. If one person died before, all of a sudden the whole new system kicks in, as opposed to if they died at the same time, and that flows directly to the kids.
Family's everything.